You sit down, ready to study, the books are open. But then, your focus is gone. Sound familiar? Distractions are everywhere. Today we're going to change that. In the next 15 minutes, I'll help you take back control of your focus. Before we can fight distractions, we need to understand them. Our brains are wired to seek out new information. For our ancestors, being alert was crucial for survival. Today, those threats are notifications, emails, or Instagram. Research shows it takes 23 minutes to regain deep focus after being distracted. Knowing this, we can develop strategies to outsmart distractions. Let's talk about your study environment. It's more important than you might think. Think of it as your fortress of focus. This is where you will conquer your tasks and achieve your goals. First, declutter. A cluttered space equals a cluttered mind. Remove anything that doesn't serve a purpose. Clear your desk, put away temptations, and create order. This will help you stay focused and reduce stress. Natural light is your best friend for focus. It boosts your mood and energy levels. If possible, set up near a window. The natural light can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. If not, use a good desk lamp. Proper lighting is crucial to avoid eye strain and maintain concentration. Keep your study space cool and comfortable. A too warm environment can make you drowsy and less productive. Some people thrive in silence, others with background noise. Find what works best for you. If easily distracted by sounds, use noise-canceling headphones or calming instrumental music. This can help you stay in the zone. Create a space that supports your focus. Personalize it with items that inspire you but don't distract you. Your environment can make or break your study session. Invest time in setting it up right, and you'll see the benefits in your productivity and well-being. Chapter 3, the Pomodoro Power Hour. This chapter is all about mastering the art of focus, using time-tested techniques that can transform your study sessions. Now that we've created the perfect study environment, let's talk strategies for staying focused. A clutter-free space is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you apply effective time management techniques. One of my favorites is the Pomodoro technique. This method is simple yet incredibly effective for maintaining concentration over extended periods. Set a timer for 25 minutes and focus solely on your studies. During this time, immerse yourself completely in the task at hand. No checking your phone, no browsing the internet. Eliminate all distractions to make the most of these 25 minutes. Once the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Use this time to stretch, hydrate, or simply relax. This short break is crucial for maintaining your focus. After 4 Pomodoros, reward yourself with a longer break. This could be a 15 to 30-minute break, allowing you to recharge before diving back into your studies. This technique breaks down study time into manageable chunks, making it easier to stay focused and productive. Another tip is to break down large tasks into smaller ones. This approach not only makes the task seem less daunting, but also provides a clear roadmap to completion. The size of a task can feel overwhelming and lead to procrastination. By dividing it into smaller, more manageable parts, you can tackle each section with confidence. By breaking it down, you create a sense of accomplishment. Each completed task, no matter how small, boosts your motivation and keeps you moving forward. These techniques help you stay focused and productive. By incorporating them into your study routine, you can achieve laser-like focus and make the most of your study time. Chapter 4, Mind over Matter. Focus is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Just as physical exercise strengthens your body, mental exercises can enhance your cognitive abilities. Regular practice can lead to significant improvements in your ability to concentrate and stay on task. One effective way to train your focus is through mindfulness meditation. This practice involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to manage them better. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. This simple act can ground you and improve your concentration over time. When your mind wanders, gently guide it back. This is a natural part of the process. Each time you bring your focus back, you are strengthening your mental muscles. This practice teaches your mind to resist distractions. Another technique is visualization. Visualization involves creating a mental image of yourself achieving your goals. Before studying, visualize yourself fully focused and engaged. Picture yourself absorbing the material effortlessly and feeling confident in your understanding. Imagine absorbing information and achieving your goals. This mental rehearsal can prepare your brain for the actual task, making it easier to stay focused. Mastering focus is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, persistence, and practice. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Be kind to yourself and keep practicing. Over time, you'll find that your ability to concentrate improves and you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges that come your way. Chapter 5. The Motivation Equation. Staying motivated is often the hardest part. Remind yourself why you're studying. Write down your goals and keep them visible. Break down larger goals into smaller milestones and celebrate each one. Celebrating progress releases feel-good endorphins. Don't be afraid to ask for help or support. Talk to a friend, family member, or study buddy about your goals. Verbalizing your challenges can help you gain clarity. Mastering your focus takes practice, but the results are worth it. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your productivity soar. There will be days when you give in to distractions, and that's okay. Keep coming back to these strategies and keep practicing. Now go crush those study sessions.